Morning, everybody. I didn't even do my face today because the basil is just up and standing. All right, and I also thought I'd show you guys a treat of knowing which seeds I actually planted in here. Now this pot has never really taken off for us, so when this basil, which is why I'm filming, because when this basil started taking off, I was just impressed and excited. So in theory, I planted, no, not in theory, I planted some lemon basil, some purple dark opal basil, and some cinnamon basil, along with some sweet basil. And as you can tell, the sweet basil is definitely what's coming up here. That's more than likely my sweet basil. Okay, I think this is the lemon basil, but I'm not sure. I'm going to have to Google a picture just to make sure. And what I don't see just yet is the opal basil, and I'm not sure if I would know it as cinnamon. So this could either be cinnamon or lemon. I should have marked it off a little bit more as far as what was in each row. But I didn't do that because I just knew the whole pot was basil, and I was more just ecstatic by what was going to grow up in the pot. So this is definitely my sweet basil, and it smells so good. That explains why it smells more perfumey and sweet versus savory. I wish I could just capture the smell, but go ahead and throw yourself some seeds in there. I think I'm gonna throw another batch of the dark purple just to provoke it a little bit more. But again, I'm not gonna do anything else really in here because, as you can see, this popped up in over like a day or two after all this had already been growing. So sometimes the growth of other things will help spark things to push out. So again, plant your seeds, get it started, everybody. Happy seeding.